good morning.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name's Alex, and this is I'm going to do a video for reaching 10,000 subscribers. We've reached 10k, and my first time jumping. A little bit nervous, but I'm sure my instructor won't not pull the parachute for me. But we'll see.
Excellent, my man. So you're skydiving today.
Yep.
We've got a beautiful day for it. We've got blue skies.
Yeah.
Excellent. That's pretty cold, but I reckon it's going to be a great
chilly,
jump.
and I'll get chillier going up in the altitude, but should be good fun.
First time doing this?
First time doing it, all kitted up, all ready to go.
Excellent, my man. So the plane's just coming over for us now. Do you want to say any words for your family and friends watching the video back at home?
So if I don't see you, hopefully I won't die, but if I see you, I'll let you know and I'll advise you to do it.
Excellent, my man. Well, I wish you a great skydive, and we'll see you up there
See
somewhere.
you.
started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.
Amazing dives. If you want to do it yourselves, you can. It's amazing and very fast moving down. Lovely weather, very breezy, but great experience. And first time doing it, definitely do it again.
Thank you.
What's your YouTube channel?
It's called Bizdustry, so Bizdustry. And yeah, that's everything.
Like, comment, subscribe. Check out my man's Coinbase stuff.
And check out GoSkydive as well.
Crypto.com. Thanks for jumping with us, my man, at GoSkydive. You've done a great skydive out there. Give me a fist bump. And we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Yeah.